Hi, I'm Lucy, I'm 16 and I'm from the Rhondda, and I really enjoyed creating my solo today from the rep we learned from Davina and Hera.
Helo, fi yw Meilir, a fi'n 17 oed a fi o ardal Synodyn yn Ceredigion. Mae heddi wedi bod yn really flynedig, ond fi wedi really joio fe mas draw. Yn enwedig dysgu'r rep a darn creadigol, oedd hwnna'n dda iawn. So fi wedi mwynhau, really enjoyed.
Hi, I'm Marisol, I'm 16 and I'm from Monmouth. My favourite part of the day was the repertoire and stretches.
My name's Angharad, I'm 16, I'm from Swansea, and my favourite bit of the day was doing a ballet class and the warm-up.
Fe'n yw Becca, wy'n 15 mlwydd oed a dwi'n dod o Sir Benfro. Sa'i byth di wneud hwn o'ch blaen, so oedd e'n rhywbeth newydd i mi, ond fy hoff rhan oedd dysgu'r gwahanol rap.
Hello, my name is Tamar, I'm 15 years old and I'm from Monmouth.
Hi, my name is Manon, I'm 14 and I'm from Aberystwyth.
The favourite part of my day has been meeting new people because it's my first time in Step Up.
I liked doing the Step Up for the first time and just learning a lot about my posture and stuff, so yeah.
Hi, I'm Jasmine, I'm 16 and I'm from Wrexham.
Hi, my name's Chloe, I'm 18 and I'm from Wrexham.
We had to get up really early today to get the train, so we're really tired.
But the best part of the day, I find, was the rep and then going on to the great creativity work.
Yeah, definitely the rep was the best part of the day.
Hi, I'm Naomi Pearce, I'm 16 and I'm from Pembrokeshire. I haven't attended Step Up before and this is my first time, so it's been great to meet new people and gain new experiences.
Hi, enw fi yw Bryony. Dwi dod o Rhondda a fi'n 16 blwydd oed. Dwi bod yn dawnsio am blynyddoedd, ond hyn yw tro gyntaf fi yn gwneud Step Up. A dwi'n really mwynhau a fi'n hoffi'r gwaith mae Davina a Errol yn gwneud.
Hi, my name's Jacob, I'm 17 and I'm from Wrexham.
I'm Grace, I'm 14 from Monmouth.
I'm Molly, I'm 16 from Crickell.
I really enjoyed just learning the new techniques and the floor work. And
same, I really enjoyed the new rep. I really liked the floor work and it was a bit hard at first because it's really fast.
It's nice having someone look at you and help you get better as well. So.
There was a lot of attention from people, so it was good.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Katie, I'm from the Rhondda Valleys, I'm 16 and I'm a part of Expressions Associates. I really enjoyed today because of the ballet and the technique and everything that we've worked on. It's been really helpful and I'm sure they'll help me in the future.
Hi, my name's Yana, I'm from T-Cross. I'm 15 and today's been a really fun experience. I haven't done anything to do with Step Up before, so today was really good.
My name's Carrie-Anne, I'm 14 and I'm from Aberystwyth. Today was my first time and it was really interesting because I've never done ballet before, so it was really good.
Hi, my name's Gaia, I'm 15 years old and I come from Swansea. Today was a real eye-opener for me because I've never done contemporary before and it was such a good experience. I really enjoyed it.
Hi, I'm Emily, I'm 18, almost 19. I'm from Wrexham, North Wales and today is my first Step Up. So I've really enjoyed the day. It's been really intense training, which is good. All the teachers that have taught us everything today have been really enthusiastic and I've really learned a lot and it's been good going back to basics with the ballet and everything and it's just been a fun day.